maybe?
Yes.
Who's ready to watch? Very good. So before we start, my name is Carolina. I'm from Portugal, part of the cruise director staff. If you didn't met me before. Also with me, being your scoreman and the DJ, please give it up for Diego from Brazil! You're gonna have 60 seconds to complete a task. Sir, tell me, what's your name?
Chester.
Darwin from... So, I'm going to bring the cups in here. You have 60 seconds to build a pyramid, alright? Once you build a pyramid, you have to put everything in one pile again like it is. Diego, please do the honors. He's gonna demonstrate for you, alright? Give it up for Diego. He wants us. Here we go, Diego.
Okay.
You can only use one hand. Here we go, otherwise it's too easy. One hand, don't put your mouth. Disgusting. Alright, so what you learn from these, you can learn from these, you can only use one hand, you cannot use your mouth or your elbows or whatever he was trying to do like this. No. You're gonna put your hand in the back. And you, with your other hand, you're gonna use only one. Now, you need to do everything in one pile. Here we go. With this part, you're doing well. 3, 2, 1! In 3, 2, 1, go! Chester! This is Darwin! Within 14 seconds left. Chester, you finished, with how many seconds left?
30. 25. 30.
27! Alyssa and Renee. Alright. Take all of these. So, not that kind of game. Diego, you are so naughty. Oh my god. Alright, so you're gonna start with 2 pencils. Go ahead, show how we do it. Good job. So if you succeed, you grab one more and you keep going. You only have 60 seconds. Here we go. If you get succeeded, you keep going, alright? Now, if you do not get succeeded, so you need to fail. You need to fail. Here we go. You have to grab them all and try again until you are succeeded, alright? 3, 4 pencils. Now, Renee, all you need is to get 5 pencils and you win. In 3, 2, 1, go! How many pencils you have to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils, which means Rune is the winner! Okay, sir, tell me what's your name? Gavin Zanderland. I'll give you 1 balloon to you
Oh,
and another one to you. And I have a question. Any of you are allergic to latex? That's good. For all the reasons possible. Alright, so all you have to do is we're gonna bring the cups over here. And we're gonna spread them out all over the table. Yes, please. Here we go. So all you have to do is you're gonna fill your balloon with air, and then you have to throw all these cups out of the table with the balloon. So you have to blow them, and then you come over here, and you need to get them off the table. Alright? Now, you cannot touch with your hands or with the balloon. It's really only with the hair coming out of your balloon. Alright? Oh yeah! I didn't want to say that because this is not yet an adult game show, but I was thinking. Here we go.
yeah.
Now it's
A lot of
better.
cups.
Now, who goes first? Alright, so you get to choose. You or him first. You go first. Alright. And 3, 2,
1.
go! In here, don't step on the cups. Yeah! 3,
2, 1.
go! This was tight. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You need a drink? But it's open. Do you still have some air in it?
No.
No, yeah, no, you did very big balloon. You do know how to blow. Yeah, that's for sure. But there's a catch. It was very close. You finished with 1 second left. But she got 4 seconds left, which means she's gonna be the winner of tonight! Where are you from?
Matt from Symphony.
Alright, Utah, yes. Okay, are you ready for this one? Yes, are you ready? Oh, I thought you were gonna say no. It wasn't, oh, sure. Okay, perfect. Do you like noodles? Yes. Do you like sushi?
Oh my goodness.
Do you know how to work with chopsticks?
Figure it out.
That's good. You have 60 seconds to figure it out. Grab from this cup. We're gonna have the rubber bands right here. All you have to do is, with the chopsticks, you need to grab it and you need to bring all over to the other cup. Now, actually, flip it. All right? Any questions for me?
Like a pencil. Hold the bottom one like a pencil, babe.
I'm glad I didn't get this.
No, one at a time. All right, so who goes first? You go first? There we go, Matt. Chops up are for you. I give you 1 second for you to. Yeah. Well, he has 60 seconds. He has 60 seconds. All right. So let's count all together. In 3,
2, 1.
go. Together. In 3,
2.
go. Time's up. We're back 8, 9, 10, 11.
Hey, good job.
Madam, do you have nails? You have big nails? Oh, that's good. That's good. The last time I have a person with very big nails and that was hard time. Alright, so we're gonna start with the ladies. What's your name and where are you from?
Miranda.
Matt from Alright? So all you have to do is to go all the way down and collect the coins. Alright? How are we gonna do that? Diego. So you're gonna put your arms like this. And you're gonna start with this position. No more than this. Just covering your hands. Now,
Oh, you got this, girl.
to
You got
scroll
this.
all the way
You got
down and
this.
collect the coins that you have
This is
in each
pantyhose.
leg of the thighs. Diego, keep going. Now, you can only use your hands to grab the coins, alright? You have 60 seconds. You cannot do like this. You cannot do that. You cannot use your body. You cannot use the floor, the table, or any other passenger, or your mouth. Nothing. Just your fingers, alright? With your fingers, you have to go all the way down, and you cannot grab with the other hand either. And now you take the other one. You need to get both of the coins out of there.
I'm not the only one that did stuff like this as a child.
Yes, Diego managed. Alright, so you have 60 seconds to do this. Alright? Do you have any questions? Again, you can only use your fingers to go all the way down to the coins. You cannot use your body or the help of another person or one hand to the other, alright? Just the hands separate.
You don't used to.
Yes? Are we good? Matt, Marinda, we good? Who goes first? You know
Let's go,
what?
Marinda.
Here we go. She's ready for it. Alright, so let's start. Ladies first. Come over here so everybody can see. We will be all watching you. Right? Just your fingers.
You got it, Miranda.
Let's
Get it,
all
girl.
together. In 3, 2,
1.
Top.
Wow, that was a record. Have you done this before? Are
Pantyhose.
you sure?
Pantyhose.
Man, she's good with it.
knows what
Alright,
she's
very
doing.
good.
She done
You give me the pen, the coins.
She's the
You did it with 48 seconds. Sir. Yes, of course. You come all the way here. I don't want you to go back without nothing. No. 3, 2, 1, go!
You from Carolina.
After they remove them on time. You had them all time? Oh. So you could bring them up. So
He was just doing it for fun.
oh, that's why. So he got the coins and he had them in their hands, but he didn't want to remove them. Just lying there, moving your fingers. Good job.
He's
Here we go.
working on his fingers again.
So that means you will get, for all your efforts, the zipper pull. Let's give it up for our man. And now, Marina, you will get the shopping bag,
the
the
secret.
bag in the bag. Give it up for Marina.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my royal experiences.